emoji. Look, sis. Look, sis. I made slime. Oh my god. You're so stupid. Seriously. Sorry, sis. Come on, let's just go eat. Mom, can we have food? Go make it yourself. I don't care. Now move out my way. I'm watching my show. Oh, okay. See, I think Mom went crazy. Don't worry. But she did go crazy. Don't say that. It's rude. I'll just make this, I guess. Yummy. Yeah, yummy. Here you go. Can you give me some pink lemonade? Sure. Here you go. Thank you. Mom can watch that. I honestly don't care. Come on. Are you gonna finish your homework? Yes, I was, but then you interrupted me with that slime. Sorry. Whatever. It's fine, I guess. Why don't you go watch TV with Mom? Okay. Bye, Sissy. What are you doing here? I wanna watch TV. Fine. Just don't be a nuisance and be quiet. Okay, Mom. What did I say? Sorry.